Today we're going to be working on some Galaxy hats, so I hope you enjoy it. How's everybody doing today? We're going to do some Galaxy hats. Today we're going to do them without the transfers. We'll make another video about that, how to make the transfers and put it on your hats. You definitely want to put them on before you put on your stars. So what we're going to use is some glow-in-the-dark paint I got at the local store. Pretty much we're just going to dab it all around on the hats. And maybe even throw on some glitter too. I hope you enjoy the video. This is how you do it. Here's how you make it calm. You just pick a place on your hat, put your paint on there, make like a little oval. Doesn't have to be perfect. What you want to do, run some stringers off of it. Yourself a comet. So get creative with it. Put your glow-in-the-dark paint on this hat. I went all the way through. Put the stars on. And I put a comet up on the front. And then kick it up a notch. Got some glitter. Sprinkle some glitter on there. What it actually do, it'll stick to the paint. When it dries, take off the excess. And it'll glow in the dark. Sprinkle in the daylight. It's a little bit messy. Here's a little side kicker when you're putting on the paint. You want to put it on a little bit thick. Big dabs of it. You think it's too much, but it's not, because over time it's going to dry. The hat's going to absorb into the paint. Come out nice within 72 hours. It's ready to go. These hats are actually like a week old. These are the ones I made today in front of you. So don't worry if you think you got it on too thick. The cotton hat will definitely absorb the paint. There you have it. The Galaxy hat. A little bit of glow-in-the-dark paint, 5 or 10 minutes. Got yourself a Galaxy hat. Stay tuned for the video on how to make the transfers. Customize a little bit. For you people making it for the market, charge a little bit more. Till next time, life's a crapshoot. Here's a tip for you too, right here. If you buy a couple bottles of these, here at Crap Shooters, we use a lot of this, so we buy a few bottles at a time. A lot of people don't know you can pop off this lid right here. You can refill it, because once you get down to half a bottle or so, as you can see in the video, it's hard to get out. But you just pop that off. It don't look like it does, but it does. So you can refill it with your other bottle. You're good to go. You're not wasting any of it, In the end, once we get to the bottom, we'll probably cut the bottle. Use a paintbrush. Just a little tip to save you some time and some money. Pass it on to you. Well, here you go. These are all prototypes I'll take to the market. Get some opinions from the people and maybe take some orders if they like them. Because you don't want to make too many and you can't sell them, then you're stuck with them. Can't wait to get back to the market.
Go ahead.